Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Susan here, aka Miss Princess Susie. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to highlight and contour. This is a very simple video. It's going to be a quick video because I've already done my eyeshadow. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to press the bell button so you can receive my notifications. But yeah, that's it from me. See you guys in my next video. So first off, I'm going to go in with my Revolution Ultra Face Base Primer. It says it's 24-hour makeup protection. I got it from Superdrug and I really like it. So far so good. So next I'm going to go with my Revolution Sport Fix Setting Spray. This is also very affordable and I bought from Superdrug. Revolution is literally so affordable. Next, I'm going in with my Loreal True Match in the color Cappuccino. You can get this from any like Boots, Superdrug. It's very affordable. It's basically a drugstore foundation. Let me just say, guys, my skin has literally been breaking out. It's been getting like little small spots. It's really annoying. And my neck looks lighter than my face. So that was just annoying me. But you know, I made it work in the end or whatever. So I'm now going in with the Fit Me Maybelline foundation in 360, I think it is. So it's just a shade darker than me. So I'm just going to add it to just, you know, I don't know. Like, I like when my foundation is darker. So when I conceal, it brings everything out. So this beauty blender is from eBay. I'm just going to go in with my damp beauty blender. This is just to remove any like extra foundation I have on my face. I'm now going in with my Revolution concealer in C12.5. I really am starting to love the Revolution concealers. They're really good and really cheap. I think this is about like £4 in Superdrug. So girls, you need to cop this. So as you can see, I've added the concealer under my eyes, above my lip, on my chin, side of my face, and on my forehead. I just apply this, like, people like to do triangular motions. I don't really care, whatever suits you, whatever you feel best doing. It's just to get the highlighted points on your face. So the key in this is to blend. Like, as I'm blending, especially under my eyes, I'm blending kind of downwards, and I'm patting in a lot just because I want it to be blended. So when I add my powder, I have like a flawless finish. So I just like to go back in with my foundation brush just to make sure like everything is coming together and it doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask, just to blend everything all together. So I'm now going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I prefer to use this and the Revolution. I don't know why, I just feel like both of them together is like nice. But I'm not using too much of the concealer anyways. I'm just doing like at the side of my nose a bit and then under my eye. But yeah.
God damn it, DJ DH, you did it again. 30 hertz straight up.
And as you can see, I'm just blending downwards when it comes to like at the side of where I conceal. As you see, I'm blending it there, like just downwards in a downwards motion, because you know, like it, I don't know. I am going in with the Revolution concealer in the shade C16. Like I said, these Revolution concealers are really good and also very cheap. In euros, I think it would be like €4 something cent, but in pounds, it's just exactly £4. In dollars, I don't know how much dollars that would be actually, but yeah, it's very affordable anyways. But as you can see, to contour, I'm not doing a lot, because I feel the mistake people make, especially if it's their first time trying to cream contour, they put a bit too much and it's hard to kind of get rid of it. So I use the bare minimum, and a little goes a long way. So as you can see, I put a little down my nose and I'm blending, a little on my forehead, a little on my cheek, and vice versa. But don't make the mistake of using too much, because you will regret it and you will look like you're patchy and it'll look dark. So a little goes a long way. So I'm just using this slightly pointed brush to contour. This brush is also from eBay. It's like probably a dupe of the Real Techniques, but I'm kind of dabbing it upwards. The camera really doesn't show, but yeah, I'm kind of dabbing it upwards instead of doing it like in circular motion just yet, because it's wet and I don't want to ruin what I have going on. So I'm dabbing it upwards, and yeah, just to get my cheekbones and stuff, and then my forehead, and you know the whole shebang.
God damn it, DJ D Higgs, you did it again.
30 hertz straight up.
I'm going to now go in with my Sacha Buttercup. A little trick I do when I dab my beauty blender into my powder is I tap it on my hand first, because my beauty blender packs a lot of powder on. So just to remove the extra powder it has on, I tap it on my hand and I put it under my eye. You know, like, it's just cute or whatever. The same way I blend in my concealer is the kind of the same way I'm like dabbing it in. I don't like to bake. I prefer to dab in, because baking can sometimes be ashy and stuff like that. But just in the areas where I place my concealer, I'm going to be placing my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Another thing is, I really like to bake my brows. I feel like it gives me a matte, like, natural finish. I love to do it and it works for me. You guys can try it out if you want, you know. But yeah, I'm now like applying the powder to under my contour. This gives you a clean contour look. And so yeah, I'm using the tip of my beauty blender, the pointed part, to just apply that on. And yeah. And so to remove the powder from my eyebrows, I just go in with my brow brush and just, you know, brush the powder off. And yeah. I'm going in with my Ben Nye banana powder. Wait, I'm not going in with my Ben Nye yet. Whoops. I'm going in with my Ben Nye powder in Topaz. This is just to blend everything out. This shade is like my natural skin tone, so you know. Now I'm going in with my Ben Nye banana powder, and this is so extra of me, but I really love a highlighted look. And so I'm just dabbing that under my eyes. This is optional. You can do this if you want to, but if you want to go for that extra, you know what I'm saying, do this. And so yeah, I'm just dabbing it under my eyes. And yeah, you can get Ben Nye online, or you can get it in your hair shop. Even the Revolution translucent powder will work. Any powder that's similar to Ben Nye will work for this. Any light white powder is good. I'm now using my sleek contour palette. You can get this in Boots, also affordable, just to contour my nose. And you know, I'm just basically setting where I had used my darker concealer. You always have to set your concealer, because if you do not set your concealer, when your face starts to excrete oils, the concealer will start to get oily and it will just be a whole mess. So yeah, I'm just contouring and stuff. So you know. So for my contour, I'm now going in a circular motion. Yeah, that's when you can go in a circular motion. I wouldn't advise going in a circular motion when you're like blending in the concealer when it's wet. But when you're applying the powder, go in a circular motion. I'm now taking off that excess powder under my contour. And can you see? Look at that contour. Yes! Love it. I'm now going in with a small brush just to take off the Ben Nye under my eyes. And yeah, No, that's it.
God damn it, DJ D Higgs, you did it again.
30 hertz straight up.
So as a blush, I like to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and so I'm just using kind of a burgundy kind of brownish shade as a blush, but also a contour. I love to do this. It just adds extra to my face, you get. So yeah. Now to just finish everything off, I'm just gonna set my face with the Revolution setting spray. And yeah, oh, my favorite highlighter, Revolution. I promise you guys, this is not sponsored by Revolution. It's just like their products are so affordable and so nice. But yeah, I'm highlighting my nose with the Revolution. It's a bronzer in Rock My World, I think it is. But I love to use this as a highlighter. It really fits my complexion. I don't like to highlight my cheeks, but just my nose. And yeah, this is what works for me. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.